Hi friends, today I'm talking to you about AI SLOP. You know, AI is everywhere right now. And honestly, a lot of it is just AI SLOP. What is SLOP? It's a low effort, mass produced content made just to get clicks, just to get people using it. Like the thumbnails I sometimes make, voices, generic ideas, generic code that is not really taking care about corner cases. It looks polished in first glance, but it's not really complete, it's not really full. It's just sometimes absolutely nothing. And the problem isn't AI itself. The problem is using AI without thinking. People automating everything, scripts, images, music, even opinions, push it online as fast as possible without review. Algorithms love volume, not quality. So, this is flooding YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, everything. Everything is becoming slop in some part, and the quality is not improving. So it's not a fault, it's our fault. We need to review content, making sure that we use good models and we filter and make something that is consistent and makes sense, and it's actually providing value and it's not just noise. So, make sure that you are creating value and you are not just generating AI slop, as I'm doing right now, because this has been generated with ChatGPT. So, this is the AI SLOP Year 2026. Let's see how it goes. See you.